Hello, and welcome to For Good Health. Today we look at our 8th title in our short video series. The 6 foods to avoid to stop snoring. From our first video, we know that snoring is generally caused by some sort of blockage or inflammation causing restricted airflow in the airway. This in turn causes vibrations in the soft tissues, or snoring as we know it. Some foods can make snoring worse. They tend to fall into 2 categories. Foods that promote inflammation to the tissues around the airways. Within this category are high-fat meats, such things as hamburgers. The high levels of saturated fat can increase inflammation, and thus snoring. The other is coffee, again causing some added inflammation to airways. The second category of foods that increase snoring are those that promote phlegm or mucus production. Such foods are sugar, some fruit types, processed wheat, and dairy products. All these foods should be avoided if you want to help reduce the likelihood of snoring. As a general point, it is also advised that you avoid eating heavy meals just before going to bed, as this too promotes increased snoring. We do stress that we are not a medical channel. So if you are concerned about your snoring, then we strongly advise that you seek medical advice at the earliest opportunity. I hope you have found this short video of interest. It forms part of a free series of short videos covering all aspects of snoring, sleep apnea, and remedies available. If you would like to pick up the series directly, just look in the description or the very first comment below this video for the link. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.